Decision Plus has been and still is a leading stock market service provider. From training to coaching, we cover it all. Try both our software as well as our coaching site, completely free for 10 days without obligation. No credit card is needed to sign up for the trial. The trial subscription will be automatically canceled for you at the end. DecisionPlus.com, your stock market service center. Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above. Market Vision Plus is the trading companion of so many investors. Make your fundamental and technical analysis easy with Canada's #1 stock market decision-making software. Research, decide, and follow your positions with Market Vision Plus. See the menus just above this program and try Market Vision Plus for 10 days without any obligation after the show. When it comes to day trading, Trader Plus is the right tool. Track 50 quotes simultaneously. Create dozens of quick lists. Display as many as 30 real-time intraday charts at the same time. Watch the action with candlesticks or bar charts as fast as 10 seconds. See the market by sectors. Use the chart models already prepared for you. Try Trader Plus for 10 days in the menu above without any obligation.
Good afternoon, everyone. Welcome to the Swing Trading Show, Wednesday, November 25th, 2015. The markets are very boring today, we could say. You know, it's going all over the place. Something goes up, something goes down. And, the U.S. market are going to be closed tomorrow. So at this point in time, we don't think much going to happen in the afternoon as well. So the market are not showing any direction at all. At first this morning, the US dollar was going up, so the resources went down, and now it did not accelerate at all. So, you know, it's quite the same on every market. So the Nikkei market in Japan, nothing is happening since many days. In China, it's slightly going down, maintaining the downtrend, but nothing very severe. And the London market jumped up because the BCE said they could do something about the quantitative easing next week on Thursday. So there was it's only a rumor, but it really held the market staying where it was. So we have a totally neutral market. So look at the NASDAQ market is going up, but so slightly we hardly see the quote, and it doesn't change anything in this situation. So it seems like vacation has started already in the States. So the Dow Jones with 32 points, it does not represent a hell of a lot here, just a little rebound within its sideways movement. And about the TSX, we're back within the neutral zone again. So, you know, it's pretty hard to find anything. At the moment, the Nasdaq market rose a little while ago, going at the same place as it was this morning, and the Dow Jones has touched this level 5 times since yesterday afternoon. So it's just up and down at a very low volatility. And actually right now, since the Canadian market did rebound, it's about the same thing that's happening. So that's what I said. It's a little bit of a boring market today. So there was not many news as well on the market. Only a few financial result. Deere company is going up on a very funny financial result from 74 cents to $1.08, which is a big increase in the profit. But they do that while they have 26% diminutions in sales. And Guess is about the same, 11 cents to 15 cents and 11% less sales. And Hewlett Packard has 9% less sales and 97 to 93 in the profit. But the stock plunged on this information. And Costco is just going down a little bit, but they had a bacteria in their chicken salad in many states, and Sony has declared that his PlayStation 4 sold way more than the previous one, with 30 millions in the last 2 years. So that's not a very big news. So not much is happening today. And in Canada, only a couple of news, like Goldcorp and Teck Resources are going to be 50-50 in one of their mines. And actually, it doesn't change anything for both of the companies. And Maple Leaf Food is going up because they said they were going to reduce by 3% the manpower of the company. So this is it. So just before Thanksgiving in the States, it usually does not. It usually very calm, and most of the time in the last 5 years, it was a correction week, and the week after, but nothing big, nothing major. It is November, so right now, the information are very rare. Not much is said on the market, so the market doesn't even know where to go. It's just there's just a very, very little volatility. So look at the TSX sector. First of all, this morning, the oil stock, let me take this chart. So the gas was going down and the crude oil was going down. And at first they came back up. And the stock came back up as well. So we are exactly where we were yesterday at closing. And the gold, the silver went down, the gold went down, they came back up. Not totally for the gold, but the gold stock came back up. So now they're going back down. So, and there is no big numbers, but I do not believe we have neither a bullish or bearish movement on those. And for some reason, the mining went down until it came back up, but I wouldn't be surprised to see it going back down in the afternoon. It seems like this morning, the institution has bought some sectors just to save the market situation. And but there is no big number. The volumes are very low everywhere. We can't see nothing really happening on the market. There was a couple of stock that made an interesting movement today, like Prometic Life Science broke out on a good volume. The day is not over, and the volume has increased past the average level. And look at this stock again this morning has been very, very volatile. It's probably one of the most day trading active stock of the last quite a while, because the stock is so intense. Look at just today, it could move from $2 in like 15-20 seconds. So it's a very, very volatile stock, and so it's been going up, been going down. There was a lot of signals on it. Just look at this one here. We have it's a 1 minute chart here. So in 2 minutes, the stock at 11:45 went from 27.35 to to 23. So it lost $4 in only 2 minutes. So it's getting calmer now. There are less and less volume, and but the stock is still doing trends, uptrends, neutral trends, downtrends, and then uptrends. So I think the stock is going to remain very volatile also next week. So it's a very interesting stock for day trading. But that's about it. And if you look at all of the sectors, the industrial went up too. They're coming down at the moment. The utilities keeps going down, and we had a surge on one stock made the technology sector going up. It was Group CGE. And consumer discretionary, we saw many stocks increasing this morning, but with very, very low volume. So that's why I said it's kind of a risky. And where the market, when the market goes bad or where the market are calm, most of the time it's the consumer staples that goes up. So it's pretty hard to do anything in swing trading right now because there's no beginning of nothing. So look, yesterday there was some movement on the oil, and then today it went down back to the neutral zone. And the gas went up and down this morning with very low volatility, and it's still at the very bottom of the year, while the stocks are still up there. So the crude oil is right down, the gas is right down, and the oil stock are right here in the middle of the chart. So it's still the institution are maintaining their position. And for the gold, it's about the same. The gold is going down, but the stocks were going up today. Now, no longer, but still closer to a breakout, while the price of gold is closer to a breakdown. So they're in a very opposite direction, but both of it are within their sideways movement. So there's nothing happening. A little rebound on the mining because we have a major support, but it's not going anywhere. There's no bullish cycle anywhere. So what can we do with this type of market but waiting to see something happen?
Find answers to your questions by emailing your host at btm@decisionplus.com.
5 good reasons to manage your investments with National Bank Direct Brokerage. Commission fees fixed at $9.95 anytime for all clients and starting at only $6.95 for active investors. No administrative fees if you hold at least $20,000 in your accounts. Registered accounts available in U.S. currency. Powerful tools to help you manage your portfolio. Award-winning customer service and satisfaction levels amongst the highest in the industry. To learn more, visit nbdb.ca or call us now.
Real-time coaching has been created. We search and classify critical reports and technical movements. You can visualize or hear the best buying and selling opportunities. Get real-time advice all day long and 3 live coaching shows per day. Let us do the work and save your time for trading. Try marketgurus.tv free without obligation for 10 days in the menus above.
Welcome back, ladies and gentlemen. I was doing a scan right now and couldn't find anything. Nothing is very interesting. It seems like we're in between Christmas and New Year's Eve. So, let's go with a couple of questions we got here. Joe said that he shorted DDC.V, but I think it's DDC.T because DDC does not exist on the venture. So unless you made a mistake, but DDC to me is Dominion Diamond, and it would fit the price that you said. You shorted it at 14.45, and 14.45 is somewhere on this line here. So I don't know where exactly you did it, there or there or there, but so far it seems pretty good because the stock is 1087, and so you make a lot. You made a lot of money for that. It's almost $4, so you have plenty of profit. And what I'd suggest is you wait until you have a reversal. So it could have happened here, it could have happened here, it could have happened here, but it's going down. So so I would just hold the position again and again. Sooner or later, there going to be something. You got to be careful because sometime, remember end of the 2014, the stock went up quite a bit. So at this point, whenever it reaches this level, we should see some rebound on the stock because that's the lowest of 2011. But so far, it seems like it's going to reach the $10, but it's 10.87 right now, and I wouldn't see any reason even to buy back a part of the position because you have so much money in your pocket already. So I would just follow the movement the other way. So whenever it starts reversing some resistance like those here, so at this point right now, it would be whenever it crosses the 1150 line on the upside, or the 1250 line. So I would shut the position there. But at a certain point, it's not worth to do the money because whenever the stock approaches the $10, you're gonna have made you will have made about $5. So to make $5 more, the stock would have to lose 50% of its value again. So the risk will increase, and the potential of money making will diminish. So you're getting close to the point where you should buy back. But at the moment, I wouldn't worry about that. Let's say you should buy back if it breaks the 1150 line on the upside, not before. Bear said, "Hi Michel, just wanted to thank you for the 30-minute show 2 weeks ago. It gives us more caribou." What's that? Gives us more caribou market meat. So sink our teeth into and taste. Okay, but today it's going to be a shorter show because we do have an obligation in a few minutes, a very, very important meeting and demo with the technology, so we have to make the program a little bit shorter, but we'll be back to it. Thanks very much. Good time for UNG? Not at all, because look, it's just not doing anything. UNG is so calm right now, and it's going down since a long time. And at the whenever if it breaks down here, look what's going to happen. So this is the line, the trend line, the actual trend line. But if it would break down, then you would have to take the line this way and this way. So it would even be steeper on the downside. So wait. It's not yet the time. Okay. DDC was at 11:45 and not 14:45. That changes a lot of things. So DDC 11:45. So you're 10.85. So if you look at it this way, 11:45 is here. So now it's 10.85. So that changes a lot. So I'd suggest that you reduce the position from 10.85, 11.45. That's about 60 cents. It would protect you a little bit against a rebound. So it's not the same story at all. So let's look. You're going to see it very well here on the 15-minute chart. So you shorted it 11.45, which is here. Okay? And now you're here. So at the moment, you should have a buyback for, of course, at the price you shorted it. But since it's going down a little bit, I would buy back half of the position, like end of the afternoon, maybe beginning of the week there, just to protect yourself against a big rebound, because sometimes it comes back for $1 and something, so your protection is not very big right now. So I think you should take some profit and buy back half of the position now or a little bit later. Thank you very much for attending, everyone. We'll be back tomorrow, next week.